Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you fix mobile data not working on iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, we're going to go to our settings and then we're going to go back here 1 second, and then we're going to make sure that our mobile data is turned on here. Right now for me it's off, and I can slide it on and then it should start working, but since I'm connected to Wi-Fi, that doesn't really matter right now. But that is how you would do it if you were supposed to use mobile data. Next, you're gonna make sure that your airplane mode is turned off, and if it's turned on, then you would turn it off, and if it's already turned off, I would suggest you turn it on for just a bit. Make sure that your Wi-Fi mobile data symbol from the top left goes away, and then we're gonna turn it off, and then it's gonna refresh sort of, and then most probably your mobile data will start working again. Next, I will suggest, if it's still not working, I will suggest you restart your phone. So that could be done by holding down the power button and the volume down key, and then you can restart your iPhone. If it's still not working, I'll suggest that you reinsert your SIM card. So that could be found on the right side of the iPhone usually, and you can use a thumb pin by inserting a thumb pin to the tiny hole that you see, and then you can pull it out the SIM, and then you can reinsert it and you can restart your iPhone and it should start working. So next, a few last things would be the carrier settings. Usually iPhone, some carrier settings, some carriers post an update to iPhones, like it's an automatic pop-up that you should see, and usually you should just accept it right away. Right now I did not see it, but you can it usually just pops up. Okay, so if you do not see it, if you've never seen it and you want to see if there might be an update, you can go to general, then about, and then here it should pop up automatically, or you can just tap 1 2 3 times on the network provider and the network, and it should give you an update if there is an update actually. Otherwise nothing will happen. So once you've done all of this and it's still not working, I would suggest that you reset your network settings. That can be done in general on transfer reset iPhone, press reset, and then we can find reset network settings, and that should reset your network settings, and most probably your it should start working your mobile data. So if it's still not working, I would strongly suggest that you contact your carrier and you ask them why this might be, and most probably they're going to help you out. So that is pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.